Oh boy. So after my last video, I started working on the next iteration of the design, but it was just way too complicated. I had 5 pieces, and all it does is hold headphones to a wall. That said, it was better at holding headphones on a wall than the last design, which was too shallow. And while it never fell off during testing, I definitely felt like there was a risk of that happening. It was also while testing that I realized that hiding the wires completely meant winding them tightly around the stand. Number one, nobody's going to do this. And number two, when you took them off, the wires were all janky. Instead, I was hanging them loosely on the stand. And when you do that, you see the cables anyways. So I ditched the cable management idea. After a few revisions, I came up with this design. It's just a simple bracket that has a snap and some holes for screws, and an arm that holds the headphones and hides the screws. That's it. It comes in 3 different sizes, and if you want to make your own, the links are in the description. Cheers.